Welcome to this video, where we will explore the pressure chart of the automotive air conditioning system. We will focus on systems that use R134a refrigerant gas, and work with compressors coupled to the combustion engine via clutch and belt. Let's start with a key principle. In a combustion engine, revolutions per minute, RPM, are essential to define the pressure range of the air conditioning system. As the engine speed varies, so do the system's pressures. Now, let's look at some average values for different situations. 1. Air conditioning off. In this case, regardless of the engine speed, the pressures on both the high and low sides remain practically the same. This happens because, whether the vehicle is stationary or in motion, the compressor is off. Here, the high and low pressure gauges should show the same value. For our R134a refrigerant, these pressures equalize at around 90 pounds per square inch, psi. 2. Engine at idle. When the engine is idling, meaning it runs without load, the vehicle is stationary, but the engine is on at a constant speed. The typical RPM range in this situation is between 700 and 1100 RPM, managed by the engine control system to ensure stable and efficient operation. In this scenario, the low pressure gauge should read about 35 psi, while the high pressure gauge would be around 150 pounds per square inch, psi. 3. Moderate acceleration. This refers to moderate acceleration when the driver gently increases speed. The typical RPM range in this case is between 1500 and 3000 RPM. At this point, the engine works efficiently, providing enough torque to increase speed without much effort, ideal for urban driving or in moderate traffic conditions. In this case, the low pressure gauge should read about 32 psi, while the high pressure gauge should be near 160 psi. 4. High acceleration. Finally, we have high acceleration, which occurs, for example, when overtaking another vehicle or climbing a steep hill. In this context, the engine operates in a range of 3500 to 6000 RPM, delivering its maximum torque and power. In this situation, the pressures change again. The low pressure gauge should read around 28 psi, while the high pressure gauge could reach 190 psi, depending on the vehicle. An additional fan speed for the condenser coil may be activated under this condition.